You scream. We all scream for some ice cream. But wait, I'm a cookie girl. So that means I'm going to have to mix my love up for ice cream with a large cookie. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Deanne, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you my favorite late night snack, vanilla chocolate chip ice cream sandwiches. For this tasty, yummy dessert, you will need the following ingredients. 2 cups of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 4 eggs, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 5 cups of all-purpose flour, and 4 cups of chocolate chips. To mix up my ingredients, I'll be using a large bowl, my mixer, a whisk, and a spatula. Now it's time to preset my oven to 375 degrees. Once you gathered all of your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients, then you're ready to mix it up. Once you've mixed it up and you have your cookie dough ready, equally divide it into 2 baking round pans. Next, you're going to take your 3rd baking pan and you're going to place your favorite ice cream. I'll be using vanilla bean. Now that all of our cookie dough is equally divided into our cake pans, we're ready to place them in the oven for 20 minutes. Cookies have finished the baking process, I have them right here to cool for 5 minutes. Once 5 minutes have passed, I'm going to move them to my cooling rack where they'll cool down completely. Now it's time to assemble our chocolate chip ice cream cookie sandwich. We're going to go ahead and start by unpanning our chocolate chip cookies. Taking my offset spatula, I'm going to go ahead and run it around my cake pan. Now that I run my offset spatula around my pan with the parchment paper already lined at the bottom, it should be easy for us to unpan this. Voila! We're going to go ahead and remove our parchment paper. Now it's time to unwrap our gallon of vanilla ice cream. Now that my ice cream is all unwrapped, I'm going to go ahead and flip it over onto 1/2 of my chocolate chip cookie. Now it's time to put the other half of our chocolate chip cookie on top. Taking our offset spatula, we're going to go ahead and do the same. running my offset spatula around my cake pan to go ahead and loosen the edge up. Now taking my baking rack, I'm going to go ahead and flip my cookie onto my rack. Should easily come off. Yay! We're going to go ahead and remove my parchment paper. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my cookie on top of the rack and flip it onto the ice cream. Voila! Now it's time to dress up our chocolate chip ice cream sandwich. And we're going to do that by adding mini chocolate chips all around the sides. Taking a handful in your hand, I'm going to go ahead and just place it onto the ice cream. And now it's time for Jimmy and I to enjoy our midnight snack. You ready, Jim?
I'm ready.
Okay. We're going to cut through the cake. I mean, not the cake, the cookie. All the way down. Lots of ice cream. You can definitely freeze this. Okay. Got it, Jimmy?
There we go.
All right. We're just going to share this one. Ready?
I'm ready.
Now it's time for us to taste our tasty treat.
Let me get some of this. Incredible.
I'll see you in the next one and subscribe for more.